Good morning, everybody. Where are we off to, Harriet?
To swimming.
She's swimming. So we've got a bit of a busy day. Ignore my face.
We go into a party and some fashion some fireworks.
We are. So we're going to do a day in the life today. We're going to vlog all our day. I've done my hair but not my makeup yet, so that's why you can see my face. I'm a horrible spot. But we're just off to swimming now, so we'll see you later on. Bye.
Wait.
What?
I go baby. So inside.
Excited for the fireworks and the party.
Bye, guys. Presentable now. We are just about to get ready to go for a party. The girls have got to wear the Halloween costumes, so we're going to go and get those on and I'll show you what they look like. And then it's all a bit of a rush, so I'm not sure how much of this day you're actually going to see because we're so busy. After the party, so we're going to the party at 2 until 4, then well, the party's supposed to go until 5, but we've got tickets to Chatsworth House fireworks display tonight, so we're going to leave the party at 4, come home, get the costumes off, get all wrapped up, ready to go out, and maybe make a hot drink or take some snacks, and then we've got to be at Chatsworth for 6 o'clock, and that's almost an hour drive away, and then we're there till about 9 o'clock tonight. So very, very busy night, but it should be a really nice end to the half-term holiday, so really looking forward to it. Harriet, stand together. Stand together. You ready?
Big smile.
absolutely amazing. I'm actually ending this vlog on a different night purely because on Saturday Chatsworth cancelled their firework display which we paid for due to high winds. So they moved it to the Sunday and luckily we were all free, so we still got to go. So it's actually a day later, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please make sure you click the like button, and if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe because there's lots more to come.